This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning, Bled! Yeah, well, it's more like afternoon almost. We have nice weather here today. Yeah, we're at the hotel now. The kids are getting ready. Look at that nice view. Oh yeah. You can see the mountain over there. The snow-covered mountaintops. That is beautiful. There's some road construction here, so sorry for that. But yeah, let me close the window. Yeah, we're gonna go soon. So yesterday was more of the work. Wait, let me see, anti-filter there. Yesterday was work. Today is gonna be just family time. But yeah, also let's not forget ABC. Always Bled cake. We'll stay here one extra day, and then tomorrow we go to Pula in Croatia. We need to explore the Croatian coast. So it's gonna be nice weather, and then we go to Zagreb. What the heck is going on over here now, man? Shit. Like, can we not get any? Huh? Huh? Ter hjälp, Isabel. Bap. Yeah. Okay. All right, so we prepare more stuff. Then we have one stroller. Well, actually another stroller in the auto also. So some stuff, and then I think we're almost good to go. Let me see. Okay, yeah, wife is getting ready, and then off we go. Ta-da! What the heck is it all about in Bled? Huh? Is it just the Bled cake? No, it's just the whole atmosphere. That we can look at the ducks. There's some fish over here. With the castle, we actually didn't visit the castle last time. Wait, you see there's a castle.
Fish.
Yeah, and then there's boat rental over there. Supposedly, according to Andre, who is local here, he said that over there is good. Other places they might try to rip you off. So, yeah, nice. I'm gonna go to the heart over there. Yeah, Isabel is looking at the fish. Isabel, can you see the fish? I saw some fish over there somewhere. Small fish. So, yeah. And then that's that island. Yeah, ducks, yeah. So I think the plan is that we'll get some Bled cake. Suppose the Bled cake is over there. There's a hotel there and a cafe. Here, that's that cafe. That has the best Bled cake. And go for that first. And then maybe do a little rowing with the boat, yeah. It's nice weather today. You see here, Kavanagh Park has the best. Well, this and that other hotel has the best Bled cake, and there's freaking Bled cake signs all over the place. If you walk over here, there's a Bled cake here. But yeah, I think we're gonna have some lunch here. Wifey wants this seafood something. Looks good, and of course Bled cake and some other goodies. All right, we're gonna have lunch now. Ordered some food that Isabel wants to eat, and then wifey is getting some seafood. The kids, though, they are knocked out. Yeah, they're asleep now. Okay, well, I guess we finally get some family time then. Okay, finally, this is what we came for, the Bled cake over here. Okay, this is always tricky. When you pop this top here, it's hard, you see. So actually what some people do is they remove this top part. Okay, and I messed it up now. Or whatever. Do like this, and then let me try. I think I need to have a little bit of everything in one bite here. This is the master bite right there. Whoops. And then Mark Wayne's impersonation in 3, 2, 1. It's good. It's fresh, not too sweet, and just has a nice aroma. This is the best. This is absolutely the best. Wifey, one more tomorrow. We're back in the hotel room. The kids are awake now. Yeah, they didn't get any lunch, so now they're having lunch leftover from yesterday. I think we're gonna find some goodies for Isabel. Also some, I don't know, she wanted ice cream, but then she passed out. I think it's too late now for the boat, rent thing. It's 4 in the afternoon soon. Well, actually, 3:30. So, yeah, well, just family time. Whatever the kids want to do, we go for that, right? These two, they're like two puppies, and they're always together. They play together. They hang out together. They poke each other, then they cry. Okay, we have to take a quick trip to Intersport, and then we're gonna go to the convenience store here because my pants are about to get ripped down. It's supposed to be here somewhere. If I just bend over a little bit too much, it's gonna rip open. Good thing that didn't happen at the Green Energy Fair, or I'm shooting video with some of the the companies. Then, okay, so we'll try this. Some of the other ones there, they are stretchy and nice, but they are way too warm. So we're gonna go to places with it not that hot. So I mean not that cold. Let's try this. Let's just try it. All right. Evening now, 7. I'm gonna pick up food. We consider lots of food options. There's plenty of food here, but we actually ended up just going to the same place. I ordered takeaway. Alright. Yeah, it's walking distance from the hotel. Very convenient. And then the kids are over there, so it's faster for me to just walk by here. Well, unfortunately, we didn't do any rowing today. It was just bad timing with the kids. They were asleep. Okay, whatever. I figured out that with kids, you can never plan anything. Or you plan anything and then it doesn't go as planned. Okay, we have some food here. This is tempura maki, and then we have some fried calamari. And then also some tam. The problem here is that when I ordered it, I said no chili. And then he said, okay. And then when he repeated it, he said, not spicy. I said, no chili. Very important, no chili. No, and then he said, yeah, okay, no problem, you know. And then what happened? It is way too spicy. And not only that, when I smell it, it smells rotten, something like. No, we didn't order with pala. No. It doesn't smell good, and it's way too spicy. So the only way now is to go back to the Arroy restaurant and try to get a refund or something. I have to waste my time getting down there now. Well, they made new papaya salad. Maybe, you know, the thing they put it in, they call it kok. Yeah, kok. Maybe they had pala in it, which is fermented fish. So I told them, maybe they need to wash it, you know. And maybe this chili there was like residual chili in there. So hopefully this is better, right? Okay, so let's not waste the time, right? I need to smell it. It smells a lot fresher than before. All right, all good. Let's go home and let's go to the hotel. I'm back at the hotel room. Yeah, bring my fan here, all the fans. But let me see. Wifey claims that it still smells weird. Well, let's try then. No, I think it smells okay. Maybe it's just me or her, or let's try some. Why does it taste really bitter? This is weird. This is so weird. Wait. Like this is cabbage. Who the heck puts cabbage in somtam? I don't. Okay. Decoration. Okay. Maybe it's just me then, but here at least we have papaya. Okay. It was a bit bitter. I think maybe I bit into this. Yeah, this is also common to have makua. That's a bitter part, but actually it tastes okay. Okay, it's bad. But it's a bit. strange that, well, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but there was no confidence. I mean, they said sorry and all that, you know. They asked me how yeah, no, the Thai chef and Thai at the bar. Like, yeah, how long are you staying? Where are you going next? And just like a chit chat. But I don't know, maybe they could have some kind of compensation because I wasted over half an hour, probably half an hour going there, waiting, and then come back here, you know. Precious family time. Something like, you know, like just a Bled cake would probably cost them €1, but okay, whatever, it's just me. Okay, I'm gonna shut my mouth now and then eat.